Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Yawma idhin yasdurun nasu ashtatal yuraw a'malahum. On the day of judgment, what? On the day of judgment, we will be assorted based on the groups, based on their deeds. Do you understand that? We will be assorted in groups based on our level. You know, like when you go to college or university or wherever, different places, you have categories. You know, when you fly in an aircraft or in different trains, if you bought first class ticket, you'll be where? In first class. You bought second class, you'll be in second class. And as your numbers call, you're with the group that you're associated with. Yeah? Yeah. You buy economy to fly to New York, you'll be in economy. Unless, illa mashallah, you get upgraded to first class. And that is in the hands of Allah. That could happen. Don't worry about that. That could happen. And it happens. That is فَيَغْفِرُ لِمَنْ يَشَاءُ وَيُعَذِّبُ مَنْ يَشَاءُ. Allah says, He alone knows whom He will forgive and whom He will punish. But we need to do ahsanu amla, best indeed. But Allah is saying, يَوْمَ إِذٍ يَصْدُرُ النَّاسُ أَشْتَاتًا لِيُرَوْا أَعْمَالَهُم. Chapter 99, verse 6. People will rise based on the groups and the association or the level of people based on their marks, their grade. If all these people were graded first class, you will be in first class grade. Second class, third class, 40 class, 50 class, I don't know what class will be graded by that. And then there's another verse I want to